Yep, this is me all glammed up. This is also me without any makeup. Today I'm gonna show you part of the magic. What is up, you guys? It's PinkyQ. Welcome back to my channel. Inspired by Amber, today we're gonna try the eyebrow lamination. As you can tell, it is challenging to do anything on my eyebrows because I don't have much. I got the same lamination kit as Amber. It contains both eyebrow and lash lamination tools. For eyebrow, all we need today are these 4 little bottles named 1, 2, 3, 4 on it, and these brushes. Before I start, I spent some time learning the instructions and watching Amber's video. After washing my face, I started to draw my eyebrow so I can trim and shape it more easily. Eyebrow trimming is such a back and forth process for me. It's not easy to get the exactly eyebrow shape I want and make the left and right side symmetric. However, I really enjoy this process. This is also how I usually do my eyebrows. I draw the frame first and then fill the color inside. Nah, I still don't like it. Let's do it again. Oh my gosh, finally I'm happy with the result. Next, I'm using this tweezer to remove all the excess eyebrow outside of the shape I just drew. I also use this scissor to trim my eyebrow a little bit, so I don't need to pluck all my eyebrows. Yep, I just spent more than 30 minutes to draw my eyebrow and then removed it right away to start the lamination. Damn it, I accidentally poured half of the bottle. Step 1 is to clean your eyebrow using the cleanser, which is solution number 4 provided in the box. Step 2 is to apply lift, which is solution number 1, and let it set for 8 to 13 minutes. This step will soften eyebrow hair and change elasticity. It smells like when you go to dye your hair or perm your hair in the salon. They usually use this kind of product. It's like protein, kind of stinky smell. It says we need to wait for 8 to 13 minutes. So what we're gonna do is to go scare my roommates off with this crazy look. I always have some crazy like wigs, check out my video, and crazy outfit, like how you like that. So whenever I'm doing these experiments at my room, I always go show them. They're like
A few moments later.
Yep, I successfully scared my roommates, y'all. It kind of pulled my eyebrow before, so this part combined with that liquid is caused a little bit itchy and burning, but it's not like hurting, but it's just like I want to scratch, but I can't. Ta-da! Matchy matchy. Peekaboo, 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 peekaboo. The time is up. So it says to wait for 8 to 13 minutes. I literally waited 30 minutes because I do things to the fully. Yo, I hope it won't hurt. And I already couldn't wait to remove this thing because my itchiness has been to the highest, so it's like I really want to scratch. Let's see. Ooh, it's not that dramatic. It's not hurt at all. You don't feel anything actually. Step 3 is to use dry makeup remover pad to remove remnants of solution number 1. To make the eyebrow look very full volume, so we are just gonna do it mostly vertically, or maybe a little bit to this side because it's like this direction. So next step, solution number 2. This step is just shape the eyebrow to the direction you desired. So step number 4 is to apply fixation, which is solution number 2. Remember to direct your eyebrows in the desired way when applying it, and let it set for 8 to 30 minutes. This step will shape the eyebrow in the set direction. Yo! Okay, I'm gonna wipe this up so I can use it for next step. This pandemic kind of COVID wave 2, so how it will affect our normal life and work. But for me, I'm kind of we've been locked down for over 6 months, and we kind of having some experience of how to deal with this shit. So instead of like staying at home worrying, I'm just gonna order some this fashion experiments, like do my eyebrow, learn some makeup skills. So when the pandemic is over, hopefully soon, I'm gonna like glow like an angel, because I know how to do my eyebrow lamination and I know how to do better makeup here. So just learn, because there are so many like free resources on YouTube, on Google. So let's just have some fun, and I'm just gonna film all this and share with you, so hopefully we can do it together to make this boring stay-at-home kind of loneliness situation pass faster. Yeah, we are here together, don't worry, give you a hug. Mwah. Ooh, wow, feels really good actually. It doesn't hurt at all. It feels like like your skin can breathe again. Step 5. Remove remnants of solution number 2. I do feel like my eyebrow already be fixated, because when I wipe it, it doesn't change the eyebrow shape a lot because it's already kind of glued on my face. Step 6. Apply nutrition, which is solution number 3. This will nourish and stimulate eyebrows. So now let's wait for 24 hours. So now it's 8 p.m. So we're gonna wait for tomorrow 8 p.m. So it's officially 24 hours later. I was wearing this to sleep last night. At some point it gets a little bit itchy, but I just didn't touch it much, and yeah, so I don't see much difference as yesterday. When I touch it, it's kind of very dry, and it truly feels like it's glued on my skin. And so you can see if I brush it a little bit, so it can change the shape a little bit. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with the result. I have never done this before, even in the salon or anything. I couldn't afford that. Like I heard it from Amber, it's more than $100. So nah, I never paid. So even my eyebrow, I like before, like every time when I trim it, I always do it by myself, and I enjoy that part. Like I enjoyed using this little thing to pull it one by one and make it very tidy. Yeah, so this time I learned another skills, quarantine skills. What else can we do? Next, I'm gonna follow what Amber did, which is make myself full glammed up, so you can see the difference. Because now you don't see like much impact of this eyebrow lamination, but I'm gonna do the makeup part. See you later. So this is me full glam up. I will also post the video how I do all this makeup next week. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my makeup routine next week. So as you can see, it looks pretty good. I think I still need to practice how to using the, kind of powder to draw this type of eyebrow instead of before I use the pencil to film it. But so far it looks pretty nice, it looks more natural and more real because it looks just the real eyebrow instead of just the drawing or painting effect. And yeah, I really liked this try, even though I have never tried. I don't even know what's brow lamination before, thanks to our fashion godmother Amber to inspire me to try this. And I love every time trying new things, especially for fashion, which I'm passionate about. And today is another try. So this kit actually has a lot of other things. I think most of this kit is for eyelashes lamination, so I don't even know what's eyelashes lamination, but maybe I'm gonna try soon. So I didn't even use this part and this part. I mainly, and also this glue, so I'm mostly using these, and this part is also for eyelashes. So yeah, for today's look, I'm very happy about the eyebrow lamination. Yeah. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a thumb up button. And if you want to see more clothing or accessory or makeup, different fashion looks and different experiments, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm trying to and pushing myself to post every week to share a little bit different things, especially the pandemic second wave is coming. So let's stay together and have fun together to go through this a little bit tough period. And I hope all this thing can be done soon and we can go back to our normal life. But still, even within this situation, there's so much we are grateful for, and we can still try our best to make this tough period more enjoyable and more fun. So I will try my best to do all kind of fun things on my channel. I hope it can bring people more positive energy, and we are here together, so you are not alone. No matter how you feel, actually today, the whole day, I feel so tired and so sleepy, especially I'm on my period. But filming this for you guys tonight makes me feel so much better because I feel like I did something meaningful and fun. So yeah, I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!